Hi everybody and welcome back to a new video on my channel. Today I am packing my bags and also my camera equipment to go on my little trip to Rwanda. I will be staying there for 10 days and I will be covering a little but very interesting project in Kigufi. But later on that. Today's video is about the gear that I want to take, and initially, oh, the mailman is there. Great. Initially, I wanted to take this little. Let me first open the door for the mailman. Great stuff. Right, where was I? Initially, I wanted to take my little prime setup containing the 40mm from Canon, the 2.8. It's my everyday carry. It's a pancake lens. Then I have for ultra wide shots my 17mm from Turkina 3.5, and for the beautiful portraits with the portraits with a beautiful bocalicious background is the 135 f2. But I have a problem, because the past couple of weeks I have been suffering with a herniation and it really hurts. And I think the setup will be too heavy. I don't want to take any more weight than necessary. So I was thinking about a backup, and it's just to take my 24-105 f4 together with my R6 Mark II, because that will be my main camera that I'll be shooting with. So let's just compare the weights, because we can talk about it, but if we see the facts, then it's better. So let me reset this. We have the 135 f2.0 adapter, 17mm, 40mm. Let's add the body as well. That's becoming a total of 2 kilo and 196 grams. Let's compare it with the 24-105 f4 Canon R6 Mark II. That makes a total of 1 kilo 442 grams. A difference of 700 grams. It's a lot when you have a back pain. It's concluded. I will be taking the 24-105 f4 together with my R6 Mark II in this Tenba Axis sling bag. Welcome back to part 2 of the video. I have done packing my photography equipment, and it's all packed in this little small trolley, and as well the Tenba Axis sling bag. I will show you what I bring on my trip. So first off, we have the little trolley, and it's equipped with the shimoda insert. Very handy, because you can convert a normal trolley case into a camera bag, which you can take as hand luggage. If we open this up, what do we have? Let me make some room. Voila. So I will put this aside, just like this. So I will bring 1, 2, 3 flashes, just for my conceptual photography that I'm planning to do. I don't need these every day on me, so that's why it's in my insert of shimoda. So I also bring my variable ND filter of HNY. Put this over there. So then we have the 24-105, which I was telling you about. In this small bag, I bring 3 extra batteries. That will be enough for 10 days, I think. And then in this compartment we have the charger of the camera. Let's put it a little bit over. I have my flash bracket. It's just a simple bracket where I can mount my flash and my umbrella. I have a little box with all my batteries that I need for my flash guns, filled with AA and AAA, just some caps. I also bring a full CTO gel, because you never know. And then my 3 flash triggers. These are cactus flash triggers, which I will be needing for my flashes. And that's it. This insert is empty now. This will be my transportation case, which will be good for my bag because I don't have to carry it. And then this Tenba sling, this Tenba Axis sling, will be my daily carry. And as you can see, it's spacious enough just to carry everything I need for one day. While I was packing, yeah, I already told you the 40mm is my daily carry here also in Belgium. And I decided to bring it to Rwanda because I don't always want to use my 24-105 because it's too heavy, and I just want to walk around at the evening or just when we go out with friends to have my 40mm. It's compact, it's small, and it doesn't weigh a lot. So I have my Canon R6 Mark II with my 40mm setup, and then there is space enough if I want to go to the airport. I put all my tickets, my passports. What do I have more? I have a little notebook with some duct tape around, because every man needs some duct tape. And then also SD cards. And in the back I still have some cleaning cloths. But imagine if I want to shoot something, then I just take my Canon R6 Mark II, my 24-105, passports I won't be needing in Rwanda itself, one flashlight, a cactus trigger. I need two because I need a transmitter and a receiver. Voila. I even can put them in the front. I will be needing some batteries, which I will be inserting in my flash gun, of course. My flash bracket. So let me just rearrange this. I will put my flash triggers here, and then my flash bracket just in the main compartment. Let's close everything up. No, not yet. I need my full CTO gel. Voila. Let's close this top compartment. Oh. Did I forget something? Yeah, maybe a spare battery. I can put some spare batteries in this front pouch. An extra battery here in the mesh compartment. Voila. Close up again. Voila. So this is my daily carry. There are two loops on the bottom of the bag, so when I need a tripod, and in this case I will be bringing the Benro Cyan Bird. It's a very compact and very lightweight tripod, carbon made, and when extended it's still a very good size. You can even lift this one. Wow, it's practically the height of my whole body. So it collapses very small, so it will be easy just to mount together with my umbrella on the bottom of the bag. Voila. Just like that. This will be my daily carry. All set for a nice reportage in Rwanda. See you guys in the next video. Bye.